How to create or sign up for AliExpress account. Hey there, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. To create or sign up for AliExpress account, you can check out the AliExpress application in your device or just launch a preferred browser and search for aliexpress.com. Tap on the first option, that is aliexpress.com. You'll be redirected to the official webpage of AliExpress. Now over here, to create or sign up to your AliExpress account, just tap on the user icon that is at the top. Once you are in here, you will see the sign in or register option. You need to click on it. Now there are various ways to sign in with the AliExpress account. From signing in with Facebook or using your Google, Twitter or Apple ID, you'll be able to sign in to your AliExpress account with just a simple click. Now for me, I'll be selecting the Google. Over here, if you have multiple accounts logged into your device, simply select one of the Google account that you wish to link with your AliExpress account. And with a simple click, you'll be able to create or sign up for an AliExpress account, as you can see right here. So this is all for the video as well. We hope that you found this helpful to you. Make sure to give us a like and subscribe to our channel.